friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Maan Fashion. How are you? I hope my dear friends and my viewers will be fine, okay, and doing well and enjoying the life with their sweet family and friends like me. I'm also good. I'm also perfect. Alhamdulillah. Thanks of my Allah. So guys, let's back to our video. Today I'm going to share with you most beautiful and most stylish and most attractive stylish collection. Beautiful and attractive. Babies crochet dresses, babies crochet shoes designs, also sandal designs. So please like this video, and if you want to buy this beautiful collection, so please visit my channel Maan Fashion and visit these websites. So I hope you like this video. If you like, then please like me. These are very attractive and easy baby crochet collection. Baby shoes, baby boots, baby sandals, and also baby slipper. So please guys, if you want to buy this collection, you can also make your own hands. And if you want to buy online, then I tell some websites name like AliExpress, Amazon, Ebay.com, etsy.com, gearwest.com, Light in the Box, and shoespry.com. These websites so famous, and you can wear this beautiful collection any function like marriage ceremonies, birthday parties, and function of college and uni. Sorry, you can apply this collection casual at home. Okay, thanks for watching my video. See you again. Till then, take care and Allah Hafiz.